In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Microsoft Teams notifications. If you've ever missed an important chat, meeting reminder, or channel update in Microsoft Teams, chances are your notifications aren't set up the way you need them to be. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through turning on and customizing your notifications on the desktop and web versions of Microsoft Teams, so you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. This can be either the desktop app you've installed or the web version in your browser. The steps are the same in both. Once Teams is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture or initials. Right next to that, there's a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, choose Settings. This will open a new window or panel where you can control how Teams behaves. On the left-hand side of the settings window, you'll see different sections, and one of them is called Notifications. Click on Notifications to open your notification preferences. Here, you'll see a range of options that control what kind of alerts you receive. This is where you turn notifications on for the things that matter most to you. You'll notice toggles or switches for different types of alerts, such as chat messages, mentions, replies, and meeting notifications. To enable an alert type, simply switch it to On. When a toggle is on, Teams will notify you according to that setting. Take a moment to go through each category and think about how you work. For example, you might want all chat messages and mentions to be on, so you never miss something directed at you. For less urgent activity, like general channel posts, you might still turn them on, but adjust them later if they become too noisy. As you switch these on, keep in mind that your computer system notifications also need to be allowed for Teams. If you've turned everything on in Teams but still aren't seeing alerts, check your operating system's notification settings to make sure Teams is allowed to show banners and play sounds. Once you've finished toggling everything on the way you like, you can close the settings window. Your changes are saved automatically, and your new notification preferences will start working right away.